Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. In March 2019, Apple finally refreshed the iPad mini. The 5th generation version was introduced 4 years after the release of the iPad mini 4. The iPad mini 5 has the same 7.9-inch screen as its predecessors. The iPad mini 5, apart from its size, it is identical to the iPad Air that was introduced in March alongside with it. The iPad mini is Apple's smallest tablet with a 2048 x 1536 7.9-inch Retina display. Compared to the prior iPad mini, the updated version has new display technology like True Tone for adjusting the white balance to match the ambient lighting of the room and white color support for more vivid, true-to-life colors. The display is 25% brighter than the display of the iPad mini 4. There are no design changes compared to the previous iPad mini 4. The dimensions are identical, thus the old case fit perfectly with the iPad mini 5. There are thick bezels at the top and bottom of the iPad mini 5, along with slimmer side bezels. It's 6.1 millimeters thick, identical to the iPad Air, and thicker than the iPad Pro. The iPad mini 5 comes with the A12 chip and with 64 GB of 256 GB versions. As the new iPad Air, it also supports Apple Pencil 1st generation. The iPad mini comes in silver, space gray, and gold, and it continues to feature a Touch ID home button for biometric authentication and a headphone jack. It also continues to charge via Lightning. It comes with exactly the same charger as the iPad mini 4. I was very pleased to find that the headphone jack is still in the same place, just like on the iPad mini 4. The iPad mini 5 has the same performance as the iPhone XS. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. More than 1,200 Apple product-related videos. Thank you for viewing, subscribing, sharing and liking.